But if you guys are looking for a gaming PC, office PC or whatever, this thing is amazing. I absolutely love this. Here's our final score we're about to see. I have no doubt that it's light. Yeah, so average frames 258, score 6,500 versus our 22 or 2,600 score. Maximum frames 607 frames per second. Here you can see the build and everything. Absolutely amazing. Hey guys, welcome back to another review. For today, we got a special review. Today we are reviewing the iBuyPower PC. I had the opportunity to work with them and I'm excited. We have worked with CyberPower PC in the past and now we're going to be working on the iBuyPower PC. I'm excited to get unboxing this, showing you guys what you get. Alright guys, this is how it comes packaged from being shipped wherever it was shipped from. On Amazon, you guys can pick more accessories. You can pick options for GPU and so much more. This one comes with a keyboard and mouse for our option. This is it, guys. Take a look all around. You have tempered glass all around the side on this model. Obviously, we need to get inside here and take stuff out. I love how they pad everything inside to keep it in place. That is excellent. Okay guys, so this is it. Wow. This is a pretty thick computer. Here you can see the top. This is all vented. So this whole area has a mesh filter on the inside. So that is excellent. I love the glass display. Now we're gonna wrap around and we'll show you the display even better. Let's go ahead and peel off the plastic on the tempered glass. So, got all this plastic on there. Alright guys, there's going to be a screw on the side here. If you get the same model, it's going to be on the side here. You pop that out. And this will allow you to then take out the tempered glass. Now we don't want to get our fingerprints all over it, so we can be careful here. We're going to go ahead and remove everything inside here. Wow. It is, don't worry guys, we're going to show you internals. Okay guys, this is the first official turn on. I believe we have everything plugged in. Alright. Here we go. Wow. First official turn on. Everything sounds good. It's connected. We are using the HDMI port. It is very quiet. Wow. That's impressive. It's going to go through the settings. We'll probably go through all the different settings. I'll of course show you guys at nighttime how it looks, the color effect. You know, we're doing everything. We're benchmarking this. We're going to see out of the box how it compares to our built one that I built from scratch, from the tower up, like an empty tower. We put everything together. But this, I couldn't pass it up. I just couldn't. All the specs of this one are much better than the one that we built. So this one out of the box should perform very well. And I'm just pretty excited. Like, I'm really excited, guys. Really excited. Can we just say wow? How nice this is organized in here. Take a look. So this is what it looks like on the inside. You have your GPU right there. It looks like there is room on the top here for extra fans if you guys want to install more fans up top, which I think we will. We got 2 fans here, 1 fan here. It looks like we got 2 fans, I believe, down in the bottom here. This is really nice, guys. I believe it's Type C, 2 USB ports, power supply, power on and off button, and audio port as well. This is what it looks like on the back here. Again, each model will be a little different. Power supplies down in here. On off button also back here. Your main on off. Power supply to connect. You also have storage in here. This is also the other side. As you can see, it's fully meshed open through this whole area here, which is great. So we went ahead and pulled off one of these panels here. So you could put up to 2 different hard drives in here as storage, and then you can connect it in the back, which is pretty awesome. Yeah, so far, very impressive. You want to connect your monitors down here. With our option, looks like we got HDMI and a display port, another display port. Oh, let's see, I believe 1, 2, 3 display ports and 1 HDMI port. So 4 ports total. Man, I'm excited to get testing this. Our new gaming office PC. I say gaming, not really gaming, because we really don't game that much, but we got an upgraded power computer. This is going to allow us to do our job even faster. And it's got tempered glass all the way around the whole front, which is amazing. Okay, while that is installing some drivers and stuff, let's go ahead and heaven benchmark our PC. This is our pre-built, I mean not our pre-built, but this is our personally built PC. It's covered by all kinds of stuff. It's been like that for years. We got it connected to 2 monitors here. We're gonna heaven benchmark it. I will admit it's probably unfair because I have a web browser up, and you can see all of these are web links up, and all of these are web links up, and also Chrome is up. All of these web links up are up for Chrome as well. We're gonna run Heaven Benchmark 4.0 under Extreme preset, and we're gonna see how well it handles it. We are going to change this to full screen though. All right. Okay, it's benchmarking. This is our graphics card. We did overclock it. You can see what our graphics is set at and our memory is set at. Again, we did overclock the system. So this is not just, this is our custom built PC that we personally built. I would say at least 3 years ago. So again, this is under Extreme, and this is under full screen. Here you can see our frames per second. And we'll do it under probably 2-3 different settings. So see you guys in a bit. Alright guys, the final settings for this is frames per second. The average is 105.1. Maximum was 239 frames per second. Here you can see some specs of our PC that we built with the i7-9700 CPU. Preset Custom Ultra Extreme. Okay. You can definitely feel the heat coming from the system. So we definitely are going to add more fans on the top here. Probably just borrow them from my other computer since we won't need that. I believe our other computer got a score of 105 average frames per second and a score of like 2600. But if you guys are looking for a gaming PC, office PC or whatever, this thing is amazing. I absolutely love this. Here's our final score we're about to see. I have no doubt that it's like, yeah, so average frames 258, score 6500 versus our 2600 score. Maximum frames 607 frames per second. Here you can see the build and everything. Absolutely amazing.